Hey guys, it's Mrs. Rush again. So we already went over how to find the mean. So now I'm going to teach you how to find the mode for a set of numbers. Okay, let's get started. So to find the mode, you're going to look for the number that occurs the most. Okay, so mode and most sound very similar to me. Look, mode starts with MO, and so does most. Most and mode, they sound a lot alike. So you find the mode by looking at a set of numbers and seeing which number occurs or happens the most often. So this one's actually really easy to find the mode. It's a lot easier than finding the mean. Okay, example 1. Okay, so let's look at our numbers. We have 2, 5, 9, 3, 5, 4, and 7. So we want to look and see which number appears there the most. That also means which number repeats the most. Do you see any numbers there that repeat? And I do. I see 2 5s. I see a 5 here, and I see a 5 here. And then you look, do any other numbers repeat? Nope, I just have a 2, 9, 3, a 4, and a 7. So 5 is there the most often. So you would say 5 is the mode. Awesome. All right, next. So a couple things you need to know. So you can have more than one mode, or you can have no mode. Okay, so let's look at these two examples. So let's look at these numbers for example 2. We have 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 4, 7. So right away I see that we have 2 2s. Let me highlight those for you in like a teal. And then again, I also have those 2 5s. And then the other 3 numbers are just there only once. 3, 4, and 7 don't repeat. So since there's 2 5s and 2 2s, we're going to have 2 modes. So you would say the mode is 2 and 5. Just want to point out something. Say you had 3 5s up here, if I had another 5, then the mode would just be the 5 because there'd be the most 5s, even though 2 repeats, okay? But here, we're going to have our mode be both 2 and 5 because there's 2 of each, 2 2s and 2 5s. Great. All right, last one. Example 3, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7. So I'm looking and I don't see any numbers that I see the most there. I don't see any numbers that repeat. So guess what? This one has no mode. So you would write no mode. That's okay. Sometimes there will be no numbers that repeat. So there's no number that's there the most. Okay, and don't be confused. Sometimes when we look at this, students want to think, or teachers or anyone say, oh, the most, that means the biggest number, so 7. Remember, that's not what the most is. That would be the greatest number. The most is which number you see the most of, which number repeats the most. All right, thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the notes today on mean and mode, and I'll see you this week for some Google Meets to go over it. Have a great day. Bye.